In this video, I'm going to show you the 3D mapping view of the Garmin Oregon series. So what we're looking at right now is the regular mapping view with DEM shading. So that's the shading along these hills here. Kind of gives us a 3D feel, but that's not the 3D map. It actually has a 3D map function. So let's go to our main menu. Then we're going to look up our 3D view, which is right here. And when we go into 3D view, you'll see here that same area we were looking at is now in 3D, and you can kind of see the mountains in the background there. We could use these arrows here for controlling the map screen and the orientation. So let's rotate it. Takes a little longer to draw these screens, so you got to be patient. And as we look around, you'll see that everything is in 3D. It's very hard browsing the map in 3D mode. If you're going to be looking at an area that's not where you're at right now, and if, say, 100 kilometers away, what you're going to want to do is turn your GPS off. And what I mean by that is turn the internal GPS off in the unit, not the device. So let's go into Setup, and then System, and then GPS. Put it in demo mode, that turns the GPS off. Now, when we go back to our map screen, we could actually browse the map to where we're going to be visiting later. So let's say we're going to be visiting up the valley here. We're going to be going right there. So we're going to touch the screen until the red pin comes up. Oh, just ran low on battery power. And if that's the area you want to use, hit the gray bar at the top here and then hit go. Because we're in demo mode, it's going to ask us if we want to simulate. We say move location instead of yes or no. You don't get that option if your GPS is on, only when the GPS is off. So now it just moved our position there. So if we go back and we look at our 3D view, like so, we're looking at a different area once it starts to draw. And again, we could use these arrows for turning the map around to look at different areas in our vicinity. Okay, so there's the lake in the back there, and we got a border there. So that was a quick look at the 3D view of the Garmin Oregon series.